last video for chapter 2. In this video, we're going to implement all 4 moves that you've just learned into one short combo. We're going to do the V-step, the Charleston forward, the Charleston backward, and the Miami step. Let's get started. We're going to do 4 V-step, 4 Charleston forward, 4 Charleston backward, and 4 Miami step. We're gonna do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we finished here. From here, we're gonna jump into 4 Charleston forward, starting with our right leg first. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Once I hit it, the 8 count, I'm gonna shift my body backwards into 4 Charleston back. So my left leg is gonna come up and I'm gonna pivot my back leg like this. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And from here I'm gonna go into 4 Miami step. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And let's try it all together now, slowly. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, jump. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, backward. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. And please pay attention to the way I'm connecting all the moves together. In between 4 moves, I'm doing like a connection move that brings me to the next position. So I'm gonna show it to you facing the front. So I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop here. My connection is the jump. Connection. Okay, make sure you finish here with your knees in, and from here I'm connecting the next step by jumping to the right position. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, stop. I'm gonna shift my weight back, bringing my front leg up. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, I want to go into 4 Miami step. So how do I do that? I'm going to jump on my left leg, bringing my right knee up. Like this is my connection. From here, I want to connect the Miami step. So I jump, and now I'm ready to go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and I want you to finish with your right knee up. Again, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, connect. 7, 8, backward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, connect. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I got you guys. I know that you're having a hard time doing 4 Charleston forward and then switching up to backward. I know what you're thinking. We're going 4 Charleston forward, starting with our right leg. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, stop. At the 4th count, you stop. 4. Now you're gonna shift your weight. So I want you to do this. And 5. And 5. And 5. And 5. And 5. And 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's do 4 Charleston forward, 4 Charleston backwards. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, reverse, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have a hard time doing the Charleston, please rewatch the Charleston videos and practice as much as you can. Let's do it all together and then we'll put music. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, don't forget the connections. I finished here the Charleston back. I'm hopping on my left foot. Whoop, that's my connection. Let's practice with music. Guys, I'm so proud of you for finishing chapter 2. I promise you that if you will practice and be consistent, you will get better and better every day. I already taught hundreds of people how to shuffle, and I can tell you from my experience, the people that really wanted to get better practiced every day, and you can clearly see the difference and the progress that they made. So if you want to get better, the only way is to practice. And also, please don't worry about dancing fast. I'm only showing it to you because I want you to see how it looks like when you do it fast. But for now, this is a beginner course, and I want you to really understand the moves first. I want you to really focus on the technique of the moves. And once you understand where your body weight should be and what should you do with your legs and your arms, only then you can start speeding up the pace. So please practice it slowly first, and only when you feel comfortable and when you feel like you got it, then try to speed it up. Okay guys, I'm so proud of you. Good job, and I'll see you in chapter 3.